What just happened? I walked into the fridge and cracked all my fingers. That's what all of the... You heard crack? All that cracking? That was my fingers. I almost died.
Bread. We're looking for a recipe that's moist. That's lots of cinnamon.
Moist.
Nutmeg brings the holiday cheer.
I'm not important here. I'm just here for the ride. I'm here for the
You're
test.
here to look cute. Honey, and put in some...
Ow!
Babe, what did you do?
I literally went like this and cracked all of my fingers. I literally...